All right, gentlemen, this is what we have. At this time, this is a view from the top of the house. The house is kind of compiled in two different halves. This half being the garage and this half being the rest of the house. This is the street just to the north of the house. This is the street this to the east of the house. This is a corner property. So as you can see, there are potential 4, maybe even 5 different inside job sites. Job site 1 will be the sump pump near the front end of the garage, which will require a reroute of the pipe above ground and exiting the building. Job site 2 is the outside slab by the bottom of the areaway drain, which I think David means that we have to open it up and run this to a new sump pump, which also needs to be brought out and rerouted around here, I guess. Sorry, so we actually bring it down, sump pump, and then route it outside of the house, connected to the new line outside. Job site 3 and 4 are another slab on the bottom of the areaway, which is in the rear of the house, and then a new sump pump hole or pit right here, run it out and into the line. We're also going to be connecting a downspout to the same line outside. And then we have a line being ran from this side of the house all the way down 90 and around to the east side of the property. This line is going to consist of 3-inch pipe outside up to about job site 3 and 4. We're going to transition to 6-inch and then 6-inch all the way out. Okay, this hole right here can start about 1 foot deep, the trench, and as we go with a regular grade, keep on going down, and hopefully by the time we get to this point, it'll be 2 feet deep. But either way, we have to have a good grade from the beginning all the way to the end. Now, the way I envision this job right now is we split it in three different areas. Some of this work can be handled solo by the 2 warriors that we have between Cory and Nemo. And then some of the work was going to require a spotter, like the outside Dave. So the way I envision this now, and please put your heads together because we are going to talk about this again tomorrow morning. I envision Cory as job site 1, 2, and this area. I'm not sure what's cooking here. I envision Nemo as job site 3 and 4, also rerouting everything outside. I envision however it goes for Cory and however it goes for Nemo, either one, if not both, run the pipe outside. Not together. We got 3-inch at the beginning, then the Ys, and of course the 6-inch all the way out, while Brandon and Cory obviously do the excavation outside. And as they complete the dig, then obviously Brandon and Josue will redistribute to wherever we need to go between Cory and Nemo in order to help expedite the process between job site 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the possible 5. And the goal is that once everybody's done their first half of everything, together we put our heads together on how to put everything back together again with the backfill and compaction outside, seed and straw outside, the concrete here, possible concrete here. This won't have any concrete. So we'll also have Ernesto on the job to start the concrete and do his own thing right there. And hopefully we can get this entire job, 90 to 100% of it done tomorrow. Okay, let's see how this one plays out. You'll have the full support. I'll be on the job site too to help direct traffic. We're going to have Cole backing you guys up with parts runs and everything else. And we're just going to see how this one plays out. So look at this video, think about it. Let's talk about it again tomorrow. Thank you.